Very good afternoon, all of you.
You.
Welcome to the Family Stop and Think Info Connect Limited. Mic over to the Mayuri ma'am.
Yes, yes. Good afternoon, everyone, and all present here. And welcome to the Stop and Think Info Connect family, guys. And this is a great opportunity for the friends, for the guys present here to connect with Stop and Think Infotech. And this internship program is the best program you would ever attend, and this would be life-changing program for you. You would be getting a special guidance from Mr. Shubh Thakre. He's the best mentor you could ever get, and he will show you the best path for you. Okay, so guys, best of luck for you all, and please enjoy the session and be prepared for the internship program. Best of luck in Stop and Take Infoconnect family. I am your marketing head, and I would be guiding you regarding the marketing sessions and all. And I will help you in any of the thing you would ever get. You would be with. And and Shubh sir is Mr. Shubh Baban Rao Thakre. He's your mentor, and he is the president of Stop and Take InfoConnect family. And he is also side by side doing the social activity. Um, he's heading. Hello,
Yeah, audible.
hello, sir,
Yeah,
audible?
go ahead. Go ahead. Audible.
Yeah. Mr. Shubh sir is guiding, he will be guiding us with the proper ways and sessions for the internship program. And he's a mentor, and he will be the keynote speaker in the today's program.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mayuri ma'am. Really, thank you so much for contributing. Extremely sorry. What we can do, we will make up this particular section little bit like a interactive, right? So what I can do, guys. So really, I'm so excited for today's session. There are the I think so 20 plus member are joined today. We rest of our member will be joined as soon as possible. On time, we are just started. I'm sorry, our session and everything. So things are so simple. This is the program. This is not for me. This is not for everybody. This is only for you. So basically, when we saw in our market, there are the very various kind of the life opportunity to us. But how we can engage that opportunity and make that opportunity in our day-to-day life and make our career so interesting. So this is the little bit thing we really want to understand. So this is nothing but an opportunity to all of you. We really like to work with you guys, and I'm just sharing against my screen to give some ideas about ourselves and our company. Obviously, ma'am, already given my introduction. Thank you so much, Mary ma'am, such a wonderful introduction. I really like to tell something about me because I have started the journey whenever we have the 7 core committee member with us, and right now we have the so amazing and successful family of Stop and Think. We have the 28 people team right now who are working cloudly and in-housely, basically that's going on. So little bit introduction. Also, I really like to appreciate, add on from my side. That is about the me. So Shubh Thakre, I'm a CEO and founder of Stop and Think Info Connect Limited, president of Thakre Foundation and Bajrang Nirman Seva. My education is MCA, which is post graduation. Now I'm planning for the PhD. So then, whenever I just starting myself as a as a student, I just formed that company at that time. So a small introduction from myself. Hello, hi, and namaskar. This is Shubh Baban Rao Thakre. I'm a business entrepreneur and technology coach. I am the CEO and founder of the Thakre Foundation, Stop and Think Info Connect Limited, Bajrang Nirman Seva. I'm on mission to connect 2 lakh people and make them, make them aware about the technology things and make their business also big, fat, and largest in the world. So this is a small passion, small dream with me. So I'm looking forward for that basically. So right now we are just getting started our today's session. Little bit small thing I really want to be introduce with yourself. So today's agenda is obviously what? That is the of course that is the internship program of 6 months. 6 month program will be running on. We are just planning to do that program and aware the people and make them opportunity to the for the career kind of the things, right? Next thing, goal setting. Obviously, I'm talking about the goal setting in our next segment. please make sure you are just relaxed and free with this particular. So goal setting is most important. Simply say, I just want to be say that if you want to travel from Nagpur to Delhi, so you want to be understand your destination first of all. So that goal setting is come to that particular thing. We will definitely discuss in our next segment. Company introduction and CODs will be definitely, there is a particular segment in your next segment, next slide. So we'll definitely look forward for that. Team and culture, of course, we will discuss about our team, our culture, how our cultures work, how we can start our company, how we'll run up our projects, successful clients and everything. Nurturing interest and use the opportunity, that is our main initiative to discuss with all of you. First of all, I really like to thank you. I really like to welcome all of you. It's really amazing, feeling for you basically to announce that is a Stop and Think completed successfully 8 years. Stop and Think just established in 2012 and it completed 8 years successfully with a 100 plus customer, happy customer I can say, and thousands of projects we already done and lots of the community building we already done in our last 8 years. So this is all about our Stop and Think InfoConnect Limited. I really like to tell about our mission and vision. Mission and vision. So mission, everybody want to be their own mission for the running their system or company or any kind of the planning. So our mission is that to aware and promote technology to the people and solving their problems. So problem solving is a main important part. Yeah. All right. So it is the thing which where every of industry want to be solve the problem of that particular industry, then that industry can be more successful. So that is the most thing is that problem solving, make on the business automated using the technology. Vision. About our vision, that is the becoming world landing largest technology company. Obviously, we are Indians, so we're really proud to be India. Also, want to connect the 2 lakh people across the in between 2023. So that is our main initiative, main things we really like to introduce about you. So what is the Stop and Think? Stop and Think, it is an organization, is a private limited company. It is started from 2012. A company started from the very social cause. Social cause is simple that we really like to help to the people. Before that, this company, there was the NGO, that is Thackeray Foundation and Maitri Nirman Seva. We are just started to running that particular NGO. We are established our company that is called as Stop and Think InfoConnect Limited, and I really proud to say that overall the turnover of the Stop and Think InfoConnect across the annum will be after that particular means all turnover. After the turnover, there are the 20% of that turnover amount will be donated to our social causes. So this is the really nice initiative. We are just working for the system and people. So that's all about. I really like to show about our company slide, how we can work, what is our agenda and basic things. So we have some look about this basically. But so Stop and Think it only. I really like to tell about the products and services. That's why I'm sharing this kind of this presentation with you. So everything you will definitely know about our company. There are some features of our company. Super fast service support. We are definitely believing on the support. Super level securities. Obviously, security should be manner in the form of the IT services and all. Unlimited features and content we are just providing to the clients and everything. Next, well document, we are just maintaining the all well document things, user friendly interface, we are just caring about that, super powerful codes and interactive codes. That's why we are selected limited technologies. Whenever we start, we was working from the C++, VB, .NET and different kind of technology. Now, currently, we are working in the Python and Django framework. So there is a biggest opportunity to all of you to learn the Python technology, right? Python, React.js, Angular, and lots of the SAP, Salesforce. We are day by day we are upgrading with the different kind of the technology where you can get the chance to working on it. Got it? Obviously, mission vision you already understand about that. Back to our services. That is the most important and perfect part you really want to be learn about, because you are working on any kind of the organization. You are start working on any kind of the organization. You just want to be learn about the products and services where you get the opportunity. I really welcome all of the people who's from the technical kind of the field and somebody from the management or fundamental kind of the thing. I really like to introduce about that two things, technical and fundamental. There are the two opportunities. So don't worry about the things. If you are from technical, if you are from fundamental, both opportunity will be we will creating for you. I will guide in our next slide. So our first product, that is the domain and hosting. I really like to tell about that. You heard the name GoDaddy, BigRock, Namecheap, lots of the things are company in market. They are selling the domain .com, .in, .org, and lots of the things. Similarly, we are the ICANN member, which is a US-based NGO, right? They are running the authority for the domain selling. So we are the one of the company in Central India. In Central India, we are the only one company who are selling the domain and hosting. Hosting, there are lots of people are selling, but there is the authority for selling the domains. We only are there. So I really like to talk about the domains and hosting. Domains, we are selling lots of domains, 1,000+ domain over there. .com, .in, .org, .co, .in, .gov.in. Lots of things are there. In hosting, we are selling the lots of server, web spaces, and different things. There are the different SSL certification. We are different cloud servers are there. But if we will learn that things in your next meeting or next of the meeting or session. Website development, which is our second product. Website development are the things where we are creating the any kind of the website like static, dynamic, e-commerce, two-way, three-way, B2B, B2C, all kind of the website. You just find out the product where you can get the careers, right? So just take some look about the product. What is exactly we are dealing with? Next thing, software design and solution. Every kind of the software, online, offline, is window-based, web-based, application-based kind of the application. We are Android, software we are just creating for the system. We already created for the school management software, library management software, different business management software, billing software, GST software, lots of the there bunch of lists for me, bunch of lists with our company. So we'll give the opportunity about that particular software thing. Application, which is really we are using the phone, which is Android or Apple iOS phone, right? Many times we are suppose there is no laptop, there is nothing in between us, but mobile is also always with us, right? So mobile where we can doing the banking kind of the activity, everything, social media and all, which is coming onto the application. So we are creating the application in Android, iOS, hybrid platform also. So it is all about the application designing. Next segment, which is our very hot and short product, that is called SEO and digital marketing. SEO means search engine optimization. You already know and aware about this particularly because this is a thing where we can understand many of the people can be connected from the social media. In fact, we are also connected from the social media. You have got many of links of our today's session on your WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and various of kind of the platform. So this is our hot product, very largest selling product of SEO and digital marketing. You will also get the opportunity to working the how to Facebook marketing going on, how to lead generation, and everything we comes under that product. Next product that is called as bulk services. Obviously, this is not in IT, but we are connected this because telecom service nowadays what very required in our every kind of the activity. So bulk SMS, obviously for the OTP kind of the activity, voice call, your very kind of the activity, bulk email marketing, all comes to the bulk services. Last but not least, that is called as graphic designing and related consulting services. So graphic, every of the things there is graphic, right? Graphic should be most important part in our day-to-day life because we don't like the read the text. If we really like to see the any kind of the graphics, any kind of the video, we understand that particular concept very well. But it's so that's so simple. In fact, suppose I am giving you the particular book to you, and you said, sir, I will be read that after 5 to 10 days. I don't have much time. But what I can do, I will share you the YouTube video. You are okay. 5-10 minutes ka video ka, I can watch it and finish it. Right? So how the graphic kind of the or multimedia kind of the activity overcome the market. So just understand there is a lot of opportunity in video marketing and graphic marketing. So we are in graphic designing and consulting services. We are really like to design the different logos, company poster, banner, lots of the things. After that registering, we are just helping to the trademarking that incorporation, company registration, startup support. We are nurtured to the startup support. Anybody want to be any kind of the investment, we have the we have the community of the investors where there's lots of angel investors can invest that particular funds to that particular concept. So it is all about our projects, all about our concepts. We are really like to tell about that. Before starting our segment, I already introduced about our product because of that whenever you're working somewhere, now you just want to know about that particular company, what they are doing. So that's why I'm just sharing that concept with you. So it is all about, I'm just back on our segment about goal setting. Guys, what about your feeling about goal setting? Give me the quick reply on the chat box about goal setting. What is your goal? What you want to be in one line? I really like a quick reply on our chat segment. Please write your goal in one word, in one line. Now our segment will be like, we will make our session little like a slower because we want to be understand your things, understand the system, And then the same. Oh wow! I really like to welcome Mr. Rajdi David from the he's just joined me on LinkedIn and he's just interested for the program. So welcome Raji to the session. In fact, many of people from the Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and lots of the people from the India basically who are just joining today's session, and lots of people want to be join our today's session. So welcome all of you. I really happy to see you guys, and I'm little like proud feel because you are aware and you are just conscious about your future. So this is a really amazing thing. You are there for us basically. We are stop and think obviously respect your feelings, respect your working, respect your dedication for that particular thing. I expecting some chat box. What is your goal in one line? Please guys be proactive. Fatafat. We really want to that particular segment. What is your goal in single line? What you want to become? What do you want to say about that? If you want to go somewhere, you want to be know the destination, right? If you are suppose you are just seated at any kind of the flight and go to the airport and ask for the tickets, I just want a ticket. Then that particular next people can be asked about where you want to go, right? If you not say any kind of the city, any kind of the country, there is no any option to travel from one place to another place. From you want to be reach somewhere, you want to be move on from your comfort zone. Very nice, very proactive, very really. I'm so excited for that your messages and everything. I request to the team stop and think. Please take some screenshot of that particular things and also get the backup of chat box. Got it? Thank you so much. We will move forward. I really like to share about the goal card with you. How the goal card will be look like and what is the power of goal card, right? So in front of your screen there is a goal card of our company. You just take some three print out that of this particular page, color printout, right? Cut it that particular goal card. Write your name over there. Make your goal over there, right? How you can write your goal? Suppose there are 6 goal cards because your internship program of that particular yourself is 6-month program, right? Take first goal card of 1 November to 30 November. Just write yourself my name. Of course, I'm just giving about my example. My name, my name Shubh Babanrao Thakre. My goal by, right? 30th of this November, I just want to be complete my all tasks from the first segment. I will be proactive in our session. I will be active on our program, and I will follow the all concepts and all things about the which mentor can given me task, right? Just write some kind of goal. Otherwise, I will complete my HTML, CSS, and my Python program in between the 1 month. This is my goal. I can write it over there. So you want to be upgrade your all goal cards from day one, means from 1 November to 1 December, 1 December to 1 January, 1 Jan to 1 Feb, 1 Feb to March, across the 6-month kind of the program. You just write out that next meeting will be there on next weekend. So your mentor or your what we can say, your guide will be definitely check out your goal, goal card. And guys, just remember one thing. The power of secret. But if you think that can be happens in your life, once it is a what we can say, it is a golden line on the rock basically. So you just understand, if you are genuinely think something, you will definitely achieve it. So I don't want to be make you any kind of the comfort kind of zone. You don't want to be complete your task and something. This gold card give you help to become more motivated, become more powerful, and become a program cover basically, program passer. You don't want to be pass your time. You just want to be complete your program. So give me the quick reply in chat box. I'm a completer. Right in section, I'm a completer. What is so? It is all about basically things of the particular what we can say goal setting. Yeah, this is my favorite section basically, guys. In your day-to-day life, we are just in our physical meeting. We are taking some group photograph, group things. So here we go right now, where we are taking the group photograph and group selfie. I request the all participants, please switch on your what we can say, switch on your camera. We really like to take some social kind of the activity for the. This kind of selfie will be definitely available on our social media. You can take something. So I request all participants, please start your camera to taking the group selfie. Wow, very nice response. 28 plus people have joined to the today's session. I request all participants, please join. Open your camera to join our today's segment. This is a social kind of the we will share the all these photographs with you. Last 2 minutes we are really like to do that. I request all participants, please mute yourself. Only on your camera. For the next segment, I'm just taking a screenshot of you guys. Make some cheese. 3, 2, 1. This is one page. Just shifting to the another page. There are some members are remaining over there. There are lots of people are joined today. 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Thank you, Raji. Thank you all people who are just joined today. I'm really happy to see you guys. Again, I'm sharing my screen with you. Before that, we are taking a social cause, that is. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining with you. Basically, guys, again, I'm sharing the screen. I respect your time. We are just, spending with us basically. So thank you for being with us very patiently and very things. So obviously about our community, I really like to talk about our communities. That is our mission. See, many of our companies in India or abroad, they are just taking the opportunity for the internship, but there is a lot of problems. There are a lot of things over there. So think is so simple. We are in a community where you can join the 2 lakh people. Already that particular group is created on Telegram. There will be the limit for the 2 lakh people. That is not possible in WhatsApp or something. There are limitation of 256 people. I request the Stop and Think team members, please put the Telegram link on our chat box so people can be joined easily. After the session, in fact, we are also adding that links into our group. About social media, obviously, to getting our day-to-day updates about our program, please follow our all social pages, all social media where we can, promisely updating our data, content, and every kind of the updates. So I request those conferencing members, please write all social media links into the chat box. And again, back to our segment that's called as a internship program. So internship program, this is a 6-month program. I really like to introduce about that particular program. Into that particular program, we are just covering the 6-month program where the 6 different mentors will be introduced to you. Some of mentor already in your group. There is a Mr. Varun Moge sir, Mayuri ma'am. I'm also there. There is a Vijay Kaya sir, Chetan sir. Lots of the people also in our program group. So there are the lots of things. I already give you the ideas about the 2 segments. One segment that is called as a technical segment. Into the technical segment, your technical head will be the Mr. Vaibhav Perke. He will write all these details for which kind of the facilities in your technical segment and how you can select the thing. I will give you the quick example about HTML, CSS, JavaScript per segment. In backend, there is a Python programming language and Django framework. There is a digital marketing thing. There is a graphic designing. There is a different. There are 7 segments are there. You can choose any from any of this particular per week. There will be the team, and that work will be shuffled after the week. Means you can learn the all 7 segments. That is the one segment we are giving the compliment from our side, because this program is just internship is 6-month program. In 6 months, there is only 6 topics we want to be covered. But one of topics we were giving you as a free of as a compliment to you basically. So 7 segment in every of the technical and fundamental, technical and management, you will achieve that. So technical and technical manager Mr. Vaibhav will be definitely share all these segments with you after this session and maybe on chat box too. And about the fundamental, there is a technical head, fundamental head Mr. Tanmay Tabhani is there. So Tanmay can take care of about the 7 segment. There is a HR, there is a marketing, there is a digital marketing and marketing kind of the services. There is a back office services. There is a particular what we can say about the affiliate marketing kind of the program. So lots of the programs are there in fundamental and technical. You are from BCA, BSc, BSc, IT, whatever the thing, MBA, BCC and kind of the thing. Just choose your fundamental or technical concept and move forward. It is all about, I really like to tell about 6-month program, right? From today onward, it will be just running from that 6 months. We can divide it into the different months, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. Goal setting is most important. Every of goal setting, you will just look for backward. How you just completed that particular program. About that month, we are just distributed into 4 weeks. 4 weeks. First week, we are giving you the basic things like a task, material. Mentor can teach you after the free time, and you just understand the program. Next week, you just want to complete the task which is provided from your mentor, right? 1 week we will provide you the materials and guidance. Next week you just want to work on the project. After the 1 month, next after the third week, your particular segment can be shuffled with the another group of your partners and all, and we will move on for the next segment. Every of weeks, after the 1 month program, successful program, we saw your progress and we will give you the opportunity of working on the live project of our clients too. That is really big opportunity to all of you. So project is most important. After completion of your program, obviously there is a certificate. There is a certificate of stop and think. There is a recommendation from our side to your 100% job opportunities to the different MNCs. We will give you the particular job opportunities basically. Don't be make that word key 100% job placement and give the opportunity where I can give you the proper guidance, proper mentoring. In fact, we are also covering the skill development like your English communication, like your dressing sense, like your soft skill and everything. We are just also covering our program. As soon as possible, I am sharing the agenda and program details in our WhatsApp group or your program group. So don't worry about that. After that certification, everything that doesn't matter for you basically, guys, because skill is most important. Whenever you're going from one side to another side, suppose I am a panelist there, I'm asking any kind of question. I saw your degree and your certificate and put back down on table. I'm asking you about your skill, which skill you know, what is your specification. So it is all about the basic thing you want to be know about the thing. And after the session, you will get ideas about that. I'm already excess with the time. I'm just shifting to the next segment of our thing. Over to the over to your Mayuri ma'am. Can you please share your experience with us basically? Your mic is muted. Before that, before the completion of segment, I really like to say that there is a technical error just going on with the Zoom meetings. Lots of people are putting message me over there. They are not able to join. But suppose that meeting will be, and there is a limitation of the time also in Zoom meeting. Suppose meeting will be end, you just rejoin that meeting. We will continue that meeting. So exceed of the time, that is the issue. And another thing is that maybe some people are not able to join. So if suppose meeting will be disrupted, you just rejoin the meeting. This is a particular announcement. Before that, I really like to tell about the internship program. We really like to introduce. I just want to complete from my side and mic to the Mayuri ma'am. I thank you for the joining today's session basically. So thank you, especially today's host Mayuri ma'am, who just she's so very enthusiastic person in our core community team. She is very she already generated lots of business with our group. She are already dealing with a lots of customer day by day, and she is very enthusiastic person in our team basically. So thank you, Mayuri ma'am, to contributing for ourselves. Today's event backbone, obviously, Mr. Varun Moge, who is our core committee member, our senior programmer and developer. Mr. Palash Khangar, who is a contributor, who is the internship head basically. Tanmay Tabhane, who is the technical head, who is the fundamental head, and Mr. Vaibhav Perke, who is the technical head of your. These are your some mentors. Next mentor list will be updated you soon on your social media, on your group. So be proactive of us. Suppose there will be the meeting will be end. Rejoin the meeting. We will have some only 2 to 3 announcements. We will take the question answer session and wind up the thing. So really, thank you so much for the guys who are just joining with you. I'm just mic over to you to share some feedback about our company and segment from Mayuri ma'am. Over to you, Mayuri ma'am.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for this wonderful session. And this was the mentoring was amazing, and your guidance will be very fruitful to the students. About myself, my name is Mayuri Zunankar. I've joined this company since January, and I have experienced a lot of changes in myself because of Shubh sir. Shubh sir is the best mentor you would. It was an amazing. It is my journey is so amazing in this Stop and Think Info Connect family, and I have developed myself so much because of Shubh sir. Because of Shubh sir, you would be getting some changes in yourself. You would be getting confident. You would be getting very nice. Very nice setups. You would be getting very nice lot of things from Shubh sir. I was very scared of I was very scared, but now I am very much confident about the things, and I can deal with the clients. I can go by myself and bring up the clients and handle so many things. And you would be and you all guys will be experiences such changes in yourself too. So guys, be prepared for the things, and my journey is amazing, and I'm thankful. I'm very much thankful to Shubh sir for these changes. And best of luck for the guys. And stay tuned for the next session. Thank you, sir. And thank you guys for staying tuned for this long time. And best of luck.
Thank you so much, Mayuri ma'am. Such a wonderful experience you are just sharing with the people. Guys, why we are giving the chance to the our team member, our internship. I really like to introduce one person from the last 1.5 month year. He just connected. He was in first year, right? He was joining his undergraduation. He was in first year here. He just come with our journey and started something. Right now, you can't believe that particular person who is only that very small, ultimate and enthusiastic in our team, Mr. Palash Sangar. I really like you to request Palash, please share your journey with us and introduce yourself also. Actually, this case study we are just sharing with you because of you understand how the people without any support, without any mentoring, they are just learn many things from our system basically because we already design a system to helping the people. I request to Palash, are you able to hear me? Please unmute yourself and give me a small introduction to the people.
Hello everyone, my name is Palash Kangar and I am in Stop and Think from since when I am first year in BCA, and it's been a long journey and a very wonderful journey for me because at that time when I look at me right now, and I think that no one at my age can do this which I did. So thank you Shubh sir for giving me such a big chance, and thank you for telling
Palash,
me about the client projects which I worked.
yeah, thank you, Palash. Basically, can you
Which
please
project?
explain me how many projects you have just completed in last 4 to 5 months, which is live project, client project?
I think I completed 15 to 20 live projects.
So this is the opportunity to give you people. In fact, lots of the people, Pallavi Mohadikar is also there. Sarang, who is just connected from many years, but there was no opening with our company. That's why we are not hiring them, but still they are in our touch. And really, thank you, Pallavi and Sarang, to connecting with us basically. But there is a lot of opportunity will be coming for you guys because of new culture, new things will be. We are just planning your in our system right now. So there are the things we will definitely move forward and looking give you the particular opportunity and lots of with you. There are the thousand of people. In fact, we have some planning with our team. My co-founder, Mr. Varun Moge, will be also give you some details about this. I request to Varun sir, please share your experience, share your guidance to the mentees. Okay, maybe due to some work or call, he is not in our segment. I request to the Tanmay Tabane, who is a fundamental head, and really in 2 days he really takes some lots of effort for the this event basically. So I request to Tanmay, please introduce yourself because you are the mentor for the team members, so team A or team B basically right now for the technical and fundamental. So Tanmay is the fundamental head right now. Tanmay, please share your experience.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Am I audible to you?
Yes, exactly. Perfectly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Hi there, everyone. Good evening. Myself, Tanmay Tamane. I am a fundamental internship head at Stop and Think Info Connect Limited. My goal is to be a marketing magnet, and I will and I have to create a minimum business of 1 lakh rupees in between this internship. Thank you.
Sure.
This was
Thank
my
you so
small
much.
introduction. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you so much, Tanmay, for introducing yourself. Guys, who is from the fundamental, who is from MBA management kind of the activity or education, they can directly connect with the Tanmay. Tanmay, please input your number in your chat box where people can be easily connect. After this session, we will also creating the two teams, two groups will be also there. So that group will be handling the all activities from you in future. Next participant, Mr. Obviously Vaibhav Perkar, who is the fundamental, technical head for the next journey. So please introduce yourself, Mr. Vaibhav.
Hello, I'm audible.
Yeah, perfectly.
Hey everyone, myself Vaibhav Perke. I'm technical internship head in Stop and Think InfoConnect Limited. My goal is I am on mission to complete technical knowledge and work on a live project in between this internship program.
Thank you so much. I really like to add on something with you guys. Before that, about the planning and thinking what we are going to do now. due to the pandemic situation, we learn lots of the things. In fact, we are shut down our one of office from Nagpur, which is in Bajaj Nagar, because there is a lots of rent in right now. We have the only two offices, and in fact, we learn that there is no need of the infrastructure for the IT kind of the services, because this is the situation where we can working from here. One of our participants can joining from the particular South Africa, West Africa. Somebody is joining from the Pune, somebody from Hyderabad, somebody lots of things. So people can work as a virtually. So this is the program, which is the virtual program. You just want to be work from your home, right? But given time, some application, some login, we will give it to you. You just log in at that time. Some kind of the task you can provide it to you, and some kind of the work you really want to be submitted on that particular that platform where we can scrutiny that project, and we will give you the project online too. So this is a virtual program. I mean, lots of questions before this particular program. It comes to me, sir, how we can join the program, or how the program will be like. So that's why I have said to people, please join this today's meeting. You can clear about the thing. So this is the virtual program. We will give you the application. I really like to quick introduction about our planning and mission in next 1 year in 2021. We generally will be started already right now. So we are already serving to the 10 metropolitan cities in India. So this is our big achievement in Nagpur. This is a headquarter in Nagpur basically. So people from the joining from various cities just understand we are working from the Nagpur, and our next city that is already we are working in Mumbai, New Mumbai, Panvel, Pune, Lucknow, Dehradun, New Delhi, Bangalore, Kolkata, Chennai are the same some cities we are Lucknow too. I already mentioned the name Lucknow. So the MP we are just planning for the Indore. So Indore will be start in next 1 month. So this is the things we are just serving ourselves in 10 metropolitan cities. There are the managers we are just recruiting over there. So suppose there are your friends or any family members, so this kind of the opportunity to them also. In fact, that we are already serving across from the India, that is a UK, London. Another thing, we are also serving to the particular Canada, US, and Auckland. And recently we are just connected with the UAE. UAE kind of the cities, kind of the Dubai, Oman cities, and Gulf countries. So they are the 4 countries we are already serving to the people. So we have working as a 2 shifts. First shift was the Indian shift, another shift which is the US or NRI kind of the shift. You suppose somebody people are interested after the program, we will definitely give the opportunity to working with us, because we really like need some proper and ultimate and enthusiastic people with us. So the opportunity for all of you guys, if you are perform well, if you are getting the proper completion of your program, you will get opportunity to working with the family of the Stop and Think. This is the not only the working of Stop and Think. If you have the good potential, you have some different dream, we will also help you to recruit you your choice companies like a MNC or different kind of the thing. So this is the family actually. We are just joining this program not for the particular certification or things. We are connecting this program for the skills, live project working. After that live project, understand how the culture of company is going on. So it will be covered in that particular program. After that, I really like to share about the one case study between you guys. You know about the Zoom, not Swiggy and Zomato, which is a Mumbai-based company. Swiggy from the, I think, Bangalore or Delhi-based company. Whenever they started their work, their every of managers travel to the different city across the country. Only 1 or 2 people over there, and they build a team of 2,000, 3,000 kind of the riders over there. So how they can manage there? They don't have any kind of the office over there. So there is no need to any kind of the infrastructure, any kind of the system to be built. You can work from remotely. So we are our next initiative is like that to run up the all cities or all countries across the India, because whenever we working as a business from the last 2020 only to the catering from the Nagpur, then Pune, Mumbai, last lots of the city we are dealing. But after that we are just launching the 10 metropolitan cities with the different managers, and we are creating the team. The people can be joined and they can contribute for our project. We are also helping them to as a family members, and we will obviously expand our business. And another mission is to connect the 2 lakh people in between 2023. So this is our initiative. This is our basic plan about the internship program, where you give us some different opportunities, and grab this opportunity, grab this particular chance you are getting that particular today. Because I really remember when I was in undergraduation and post graduation, nobody giving me any kind of the opportunity. I really like to go for any kind of the company to understand. I really like to learn something, but they are saying keep paid membership. There will be the thing you want to be pay for the internship for training or something. After that, after 4, 5, 6 months, we will give you the internship, and then after that your stipend or different kind of the thing will start. Then I realized what is the thing between the job or something. Then I started my own software company. But this is the company. You ask my team member how the culture is over here. The culture are very friendly. There is no any boss. There is no any team leader. Only you are the there. You want to be, us to, contribute for that particular task. If you are coming to office, there is a pin bag. There is chair. You can sit anywhere. You can work anywhere. So this is the culture we are just looking for. Everybody likes that particular company. That name is Google. So Google employees are very happiest employee in the world. They can call it, right? So we are definitely like to move on with the case study like Google. In fact, I really like to share about the Sridhar Vembu. Have you heard the name Sridhar Vembu? He is the founder of Zoho. Zoho is an Indian incorporation company basically, which is coming from the which Sridhar was working in the Silicon Valley, California, US actually. He just shifted from California coming to the India. He just create a city. He just get a village, that his own village in near to the Chennai, which is 600 kilometers far from the Chennai. He just seated over there, start working something. He just improve that village. There are lots of temple. There are lots of the schools will be generated. After that, he just created a billion dollar company in that particular city. After this session, please go on Google or YouTube. Just write about the Zoho story or Sridhar Vembu story. You will get ideas. Once suppose simple one Indian person can come from the Silicon Valley and create a largest empire with the India. So this is a very nice interesting story with you people. One of my friend I really like to share about this pandemic kind of the situation. Mr. Dada Saib Bhagat, who is from the Bid. Bid is a district near to the Aurangabad. He was working in the Pune. After the pandemic, he's just running a software development company, sorry, graphic designing company. After the pandemic, his company going to be vanish, and he is not able to put any kind of the funds in over there. You can also learn his case study on Google too. Dada Saib Bhagat. So he just come to his village. There is a cattle shed, which there is a cow was there. So in that cattle shed, he just created that particular office over there. He just created MacBook. He just created the team. Team is also from that particular village. They teach that particular student and created that environment. And now you can't believe the company name is Do Graphics, DOO Graphics. He created $1 million company in between this pandemic, only 4 to 5 months actually. So this is the power. This is the potential of pandemic. This is the potential of your thinking. This is the potential of your goal setting. This is the potential of your dedication for something you really like. Passion. Today I put it already my social media content about the Steve Jobs, about the passion, how passion about your work. If you're not passionate, you will not achieve something. So that's why I'm saying to you mentees, don't go for the any kind of the certification, any kind of the thing. Go for the skill. Cover up कीजिए 6 months पे you just want to be complete your program, that is internship program, and you will definitely get. I'm damn sure after the 6 months you just look backward when you are in 2020 November month, who you are now, what you are, right? After the 6 months I'm talking about. So this is the journey where you can get the thing, where you can understand the thing, be positive, be proactive, and I will definitely, the task will be coming on. In fact, I will also mentoring in your between of the segments and sessions. There are 6 month programs, so 6 mentor is also there. But before that, every of weekend or in month or 2 or 3 times, I will definitely come to visit you guys. So it is all about you. I am already talking. I'm already exceed of my time, but it's you are so enthusiastic people, and I really like to. I'm so positive today because of this is new month. Tomorrow is the weekday start. Today is the weekend. I'm not taking you through so much time, but keep your energy and enjoy your journey of the 6 months. Not only the 6 months, I wish you want to become with our family of Stop and Think for long term. We really like to on mission of the connecting 2 lakh people. You are become the part of that particular connect with the people. Understand the concept with mission why we are creating the 2 lakh people mission. After the 2023, that mission can be exceeded. 2 lakh become a 5 lakh. After 2 lakh plus 5 lakh becomes 7 lakh. So this is our target, because connecting the people, because the power of unity, the power of teamwork, right? There is that community. We are not creating for the selling something. We are that particular community only for the create awareness about the technology knowledge. Everybody knows about the iPhone 12 just launched. We are already create an event on that iPhone 12. We are created various videos and various things. We will live stream that iPhone 12 event launching, which was in US in 10:13 in PM at Indian time. So this is the activity we are just doing day-to-day life. So I am already exceed my time. Sorry, I will not take your much time. We are already started at 4 PM. It's 4:53. Mike, over to the Mayuri ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, one and all present here for this, for attending this session and having some patience. And I am really glad to get connected with you all, guys, and enjoy your internship program and learn something. Now,
I request to
know
Mayuri ma'am,
yourself.
please, sorry to interrupt Mayuri ma'am. Please, what we can do right now, we are creating the two teams, right? Team A,
Okay.
Tanmay, Team A, Vaibhav, Team B, Tanmay. Team A,
Yeah.
technical, Team B, that's called as a fundamental, we can call it, or otherwise management, we can call it. So Team A, Team B, we can distributing the two segments. After this event, please be proactive over the your social media group, WhatsApp group. Another thing is that we will help them, everybody, after the meeting, please write your every feedbacks and everything on our this WhatsApp number, or you can directly call us. You can write us on our mail address at the info or support@stopandthings.com. So after this session, we are creating the two teams, Team A, Team B. We will give the name teams Supermen, Superwomen, and Team B, Iron Men, Iron Women. Right? The team A and B will be created after this session. So enroll for the team A, B. We will share you the feedback. Please fill up your interest of working. After the session, you will take your mentor will be sharing the list of the products, list of the segment you want to be choose from the technical and non-technical. Got it? Mayuri ma'am, just find out the team and complete the session.
Yes.
And suppose anybody want to be any kind of the question, please take that question. We will take
Yes,
the only
yes.
4 to 5
Sure,
questions
sir.
only.
Yeah, sure. And guys, we are so happy that you all are joined with our internship program. And before joining the internship program, just know yourself where you are, and after the internship program, where you will be. Just remember these two things. The session.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Anybody
sir.
have the thank you. Anybody have the any kind of the question? We will take some 4 to 5 questions to make some session very responsive. Anybody have any question? Please raise your hand or just write yourself on chat box. I request the team stop and think, take a look of chat box if anybody want to ask something or not. Any doubts? Any question about the internship program? Anybody? No, we already exceeded the time. We are only taking the 1 or 2 questions right now. What is? I think all you all clear about the thing. Anybody want to be last question? Because in our segment there is no any question answer session for this particular launching program. But we are trying to taking because I request the all participants after the meeting share this program with your friends, your colleagues, your relatives, and all. If anybody want to be interested, there are limited seats over there. Only 10 seats will be remaining there. So we maybe 50 or 100 people can be join this program. So we look forward. Anybody interested for that? Yeah. Geeta Bora, you want to answer the question? Tell me about data science. Obviously, data science, which is a really proper, demanding technology, data science, and particular machine learning. But this program is only 6-month program. That data science and machine learning is a 1-month program, 1-year program basically. So Geeta Bora, really sorry to say about that particular thing. About we are not taking that particular program into this. In this particular program, technical like a Python programming language, Django framework, front end, back end, database. In database, we are trying to taking the MongoDB too. So graphic designing, we are also taking the graphic designing. One of our participants also in that interested for the graphic designing. Somebody is asking what a project and task management team. What will be the obviously live project will be given to you guys. Bhargavi, don't worry about the projects. Projects are the things. Suppose we are also creating our own products of Stop and Think. There is a teachable concept will be coming for the people. So in that particular teachable, there is not we get the name of that particular product where the mentor or teachers can upload their program videos or course, and people can or subscriber can able to see that program, that particular project. 50% of particular program is already developed right from our team, but we will give you the opportunity for the next module. There is the API creation, there are the payment gateway integration in that particular project. So we will look forward for that particular thing. We will give you the opportunity for that particular product. Second product of our own, that is a product that's called a centralized system. We will solving the issue of the all franchisee issues in the across the country. we will complete this thing from that particular project. Next segment, our dream project, that is a bunch of calling us marketing and food industry. We can connect to each other, and we are creating the new project, three-wheel project, e-rickshaw. We are just planning across the 10,000 three-wheeler rickshaw across the country. That is our next project. We are just coming from. We are just connect a project. That project is very confidential, so we are not sharing the details about that. But that project is that is a CA kind of the platform. People can come to the platform. They can upload their notices. Suppose any kind of income tax notice, any kind of notices, and that particular backend or any kind of expert give the service to that particular platform. Next of our project will be coming on. That is about the thing where people can be, explore their businesses from scratch to upload, like a franchisee business. They are creating different kinds of things. We already have some clients who are the chai walas, who are the sabji walas, who are the big shot business company. So the thing is that opportunity is lost in market. You just want to grab that opportunity, understand the feeling, and be the proactive. You will get ideas in future. I will take some question from chat box and wind up the today's session. One of the participants asking about the Veena. How to do work. Don't worry, Veena. This is the thing. C++, Java. You already completed. That is the basic of our thing. So this is object-oriented programming. So don't worry about those. All programming language are same basically. Business concepts are same. But how to use that, we will definitely teach to you. Obviously, data science, Geeta Bora, I think so you are just a little bit confused about that. After the session, there are our numbers. Please connect with us. Our team will be helping you for that. Anybody have any questions? Last 1 or 2 questions we are taking, and we are just wind up the today's session. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Chetan Thakre, who is our mentor, one of the mentor from the Pune. He's also client of our basically. He's running a company, Invest First and Greenbox Insurance. Chetan sir, if you don't mind, can you please share your 2 minutes feedback with us? Actually, you are the one of our clients. Just join our today's segment. Please share your feedback. Please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Hello, Chetan sir. Yeah, welcome, sir.
Hello. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Your voice is not clear.
Honestly speaking, I want.
So, sir, please keep your mic or
Hello.
Check. Hello. I'm audible, Chetan sir. Actually, I really like to talk about Chetan sir. Who is this is the relation of our family. Our client is also coming. They saw our social media activities, and they're appreciating. Lots of our already clients says that, sir, what is your next initiative, next plan? Some of the people are joining our program, so that's why I'm taking the feedback from the client too. So you can also aware the thing. You will also communicate with our client too. So Chetan sir, please contribute your 2 minutes feedback with us. Actually, you are already right further, but I really heard from yourself. I'm audible, Mr. Chetan?
Yes, sir. I am audible now.
Yeah, perfectly, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. So actually, I have been associated with Stop and Think since I think since May, and the services which I have received are pretty much fair and very decent in nature. And the best part is the Shoop sir always provides the support whenever I need any help. I can directly call him or I can message him, and he responds to my query or to my within a time of let's few hours. That's it. So all I need to say is I have received a very good service and good uh, hello.
Yeah, sir. You're audible.
Sir, am I
Perfect.
audible? Yeah.
Yeah.
So I have received very good service and good feedbacks, and the basically I'm not that technical person, but I also got to know many things to learn from Shoop sir as well. So
Thank
that's
you.
it. The best part is, and all the interns here would be getting an opportunity to work on live projects. So that I think that's the best part of this internship program.
Sure. Thank you so much, Chetan sir. Thank you so much for contributing to us. Actually, guys, see, this is the thing I really like to add on from the Chetan sir. Basically, he's also the running a company that is an insurance kind of the company, that is a stock market training kind of the consulting, training kind of the company, and he's also working as a mentor from the Pune, and he's also trying to create his own community. The idea of that particular program is also a little bit from the Chetan sir. He's already given me the ideas about how we can create a community, how we can. Yes, we are just not a client or vendor. We are not client, boss or team member. We are not client. We are not a team member to each other. We are the family over here. If you have the ideas, if you want to be these ideas have the full potential, we will help you push that idea into the particular reality. So because of I taken the feedback of Chetan sir, luckily I saw he is in meeting right now. So that's why the thing is that he was facing the issue for the email kind of the marketing kind of the process, because his email is not connected with his server. In fact, in your program, we are also covering your domain hosting services, email creation, how to connecting that server and integration and everything, payment gateway integration, API integration. So all kind of the technical thing can be covered up in your segment. Into non-technical people, they are also get the opportunity to working on our client project too. Suppose there is a Chetan sir is already providing the training program of the what we can say is about the stock market training across the India. So you will also get ideas about how to get the project, how to communicate with the people, how to sell any kind of the project, or what is your dressing sense, how you can communicate. It's all about covering with the this. मैं इसके बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा. I will not add in on. Apart from this, you will get the details after the session. You will get the agendas. You will get the all documents. So already exceed of time, we will really like to wind up. So thank you so much, guys. Really, really, really happy to see you basically. And it's really two-way communication. It's really interactive session. So I wish you just break your comfort zone. Come to us, because I know you are, after the pandemic, you are ready to do something. You already conserve lots of energy in between you. Now it's time to blast that. It's time to achieve something. It's time to make your parents proud. We want to be connect something. We want to do something. We want to be grab opportunity across the world. So this is the really good opportunity for you. I wish definitely I will be always there for you guys. If you have any problem with your mentor, if you are saying any country, you can directly connect with me. We will definitely support you. So it's all about thank you for being so patient, and already we have covered lots of time. So thank you for being so patient and so enthusiastic audience today. So I request to all participants, thank you for your contribution. You are saying, please connect on this number if you have any kind of the queries, doubts or something. After this session, somebody, if your from your contact is not in your group, I will share the link of group. You just share with your candidates and everything. Fill that form of Google form, because suppose somebody is not fill that form, they will automatically remove from the group. So take care of that, please, because we are already running the virtual group, virtual event. So we need some proper data about our every participant as per the security purpose. Got it? So it's all about. Thank you so much for being here. Over to Mayuri ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, all of you. And we would end this session and be comfortable to join this internship program. And best of luck, guys.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care. Very good
Bye.
weekend. Happy to enjoy. Just learn and earn. Got it? Bye-bye.